Today, we're diving into a topic that affects so many of us. Keeping up with the Joneses. We've all heard the phrase, but what does it really mean, and how does it impact our lives? In this video, we'll explore the origins of this concept, why we feel the pressure to keep up with others, and the hidden costs of trying to match our neighbors' lifestyles. We'll also share practical tips on how to break free from this cycle and focus on what truly matters to you. So, if you're ready to stop comparing and start living your best life, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. The mindset of keeping up with the Joneses can be a financial trap that keeps you perpetually broke. When you constantly compare yourself to others and strive to match their lifestyle, you often end up spending beyond your means. This can lead to accumulating debt, living paycheck to paycheck, and never building any real savings or investments. Instead of focusing on your own financial goals and priorities, you become consumed with maintaining appearances, which can prevent you from achieving true financial stability and independence. Breaking free from this mindset is crucial to taking control of your finances and building a secure future. Social media amplifies the pressure to keep up with the Joneses by constantly showcasing curated highlights of other people's lives. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok are filled with images and videos of luxurious vacations, expensive purchases, and seemingly perfect lifestyles. This creates a distorted reality where everyone appears to be living their best life, leading to feelings of inadequacy and the urge to spend money to match these perceived standards. The constant exposure to others' successes and material possessions can make it difficult to focus on your own financial goals, ultimately keeping you trapped in a cycle of comparison and overspending. Overspending is a common financial pitfall that can lead to significant stress and long-term financial instability. It often stems from a desire to maintain a certain lifestyle or keep up with societal expectations, leading individuals to spend more than they earn. This behavior can quickly result in accumulating debt, depleting savings, and living paycheck to paycheck. The allure of instant gratification from purchases can overshadow the importance of financial planning and saving for the future. Breaking the cycle of overspending requires a conscious effort to budget, prioritize needs over wants, and develop healthier financial habits. One of the best ways to overcome the pressure to keep up with the Joneses is to practice gratitude. When we focus on the things that we are grateful for, it can help to put our problems and insecurities into perspective. We can also practice gratitude by expressing our appreciation to others. This can help to build stronger relationships and create a more positive and supportive environment. Another important way to overcome the pressure to keep up with the Joneses is to practice self-acceptance. This means accepting ourselves for who we are, flaws and all. When we accept ourselves for who we are less likely to compare ourselves to others and feel insecure. We can also focus on our strengths and talents, rather than our weaknesses. Setting realistic goals for ourselves can also help us to overcome the pressure to keep up with the Joneses. When we have clear goals in mind, we can focus on achieving those goals, rather than on what others are doing. It's important to set goals that are both challenging and achievable. We should also make sure that our goals are aligned with our values and priorities. Breaking free from the cycle of keeping up with the Joneses is essential for achieving true financial freedom and peace of mind. By focusing on your own financial goals and priorities, you can build a secure and prosperous future without the burden of unnecessary debt and stress. Remember, financial success is not about comparing yourself to others but about making smart choices that align with your values and long-term objectives. Embrace the journey to financial independence and enjoy the freedom that comes with living within your means and prioritizing what truly matters to you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more financial tips and advice.